Join me as I challenge myself to go completely wireless with my iPhone for a whole week in 2025. Wireless freedom for iPhones is going to be a game changer, giving us the ability to use our devices without being tethered to cords or limited by battery life, and it's going to completely transform the way we live our daily lives. Wireless technology for iPhones has come a long way, but we still face a lot of limitations, like connectivity issues and poor battery life. This can be frustrating, especially when we're on the go and need to stay connected. We've all been in situations where our iPhone is running out of battery and we can't find a charger, or we're trying to stream a video but the connection is slow and keeps buffering. These problems can be especially annoying when we're traveling or in areas with poor network coverage. We might find ourselves searching for a coffee shop or a restaurant with a decent Wi-Fi connection just so we can stay online. This can be a real hassle, and it's something that we shouldn't have to deal with in today's world. Despite these challenges, many of us are still drawn to the idea of going wireless. We love the freedom and convenience that it gives us, and we're willing to put up with the occasional frustration in order to enjoy the benefits. Whether we're listening to music, watching videos, or just browsing the web, wireless technology has given us a level of flexibility that we never thought possible. As technology advances, we're seeing new developments that promise to enhance our wireless experience. Emerging technologies like 5G, satellite connectivity, and wireless charging are going to revolutionize the way we use our iPhones. With 5G, we can expect faster data speeds and lower latency, making it possible to stream high-quality videos and play online games without any lag or buffering. Satellite connectivity is also going to be a game changer, giving us the ability to stay connected even in areas with poor or no network coverage. This is going to be especially useful for people who live in rural areas or who travel to remote locations. We'll be able to stay in touch with friends and family, access important information, and even stream our favorite shows and movies from anywhere in the world. Wireless charging is another technology that's going to make our lives easier. We'll be able to charge our iPhones without having to plug them in, which will be especially useful when we're on the go. We can just place our iPhone on a charging pad and let it charge, without having to worry about tangled cords or lost charging cables. By 2025, these technologies are going to come together to create a truly wireless experience for iPhone users. We can expect to see new innovations like augmented reality and the Internet of Things become more mainstream, and our iPhones will be at the center of it all. We'll be able to control our homes, our cars, and our lives with just a few taps on our iPhone screen. The future of wireless technology is exciting, and it's going to change the way we live our lives. With the ability to stay connected, access information, and control our surroundings from anywhere, we'll be more free than ever to pursue our passions and interests. We'll be able to work from anywhere, travel the world, and stay in touch with loved ones without being tied down by cords or limited by battery life. In the near future, we can expect to see a breakthrough innovation that will transform iPhone usage by 2025. This could be a new type of wireless charging that's faster and more efficient, or a new technology that allows our iPhones to connect to multiple networks at once. Whatever it is, it's going to be big, and it's going to change the way we use our iPhones forever. The key point to take away is that wireless freedom for iPhones is the future, and it's going to be amazing. With the latest technologies and innovations, we'll be able to enjoy a truly wireless experience that's fast, reliable, and convenient. In summary, wireless freedom for iPhones in 2025 is going to be a game changer, and we should all be excited to see what the future holds. Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments below and check out my other videos on tech innovations for more content like this.